Hey there, wanted to do a quick review in this haisstronica crimp tool set. This set's basically got you covered for any connectors that you're gonna run into. First thing you'll notice, it does come in a really nice box to keep everything together. Everything is very clearly labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, and then on the corresponding crimp sets, you'll see F, E, D, C, B, and then A is currently on the tool. These different crimp sets simply slide in and out, and they're held in with these Phillips head bolts, and you'll see they also give you 2 extra bolts here, which I really like. There is a paper that comes with the kit, and it tells you which letter corresponds to which type of connector. So you'll see the A set is for the heat shrink connector, B set, insulated terminals and nylon connectors, so on and so forth. This crimper is ratcheting, and it works just like any other crimper I've ever used. You'll hear it ratchet down, keep going, and then to get it to release, you go all the way down and it'll release out. So the function works really well. It's exactly what I would expect, and it goes back in the package like so. There is also an adjustment wheel to adjust your There is also an adjustment wheel on here that you can adjust your crimp strength. Let's go ahead and change out one of our sets. Phillips head screwdriver. You'll also notice, as is typical with a crimp set, it has the color-coded system here where you can correctly identify which size connector goes in which portion of the crimper. So here we got red for the red connectors, blue, yellow, so on and so forth. Here we can go ahead and make a crimp. Simply slide the nylon connector over, get it in the corresponding blue section, get some light tension on there, and then give it a good squeeze. Once it goes all the way down, it'll release. So very nice connection. Do one more, slide it over there. You could also put the connector in the tool first like so, and then slide your wire in there. Give it a good squeeze. And there we are again. So great tool, does exactly what you would expect. I love the fact that you get a whole set and a nice case to put the crimper in. I think this is an excellent value.